Imagine working on innovative technologies and critical solutions for our warfighters, for our country and our allies, and for our security. Lockheed Martin Rotary and Mission Systems in Owego is a center of excellence located in the southern tier of New York. The site has a rich 60-year history of developing, manufacturing, and delivering critical products and capabilities. Join our team and discover the exciting and endless possibilities to grow your career in a variety of fields. Fields such as engineering, cybersecurity, information systems, finance, business development, and more. Along with highly competitive industry wages, we offer a host of benefits, including health and life insurance, retirement savings plans, paid vacation and holidays, and a flexible 980 work week. We also offer career advancement opportunities like tuition reimbursement, mentoring and coaching, networking, educational and leadership programs. We have social networks and community volunteer opportunities for those new to Lockheed Martin or the Owego area. Picture yourself in Owego. Immerse yourself in the southern tier, gateway to the Finger Lakes. A family-friendly area that's affordable with excellent colleges and universities. Culture, sports, active lifestyles, and natural beauty. West of the Catskill Mountains, we're close to major attractions in metropolitan areas like New York City, Philadelphia, and Boston. When you join our team, you'll discover amenities like the Health and Wellness Center, a fitness center, and full banking services all on site. At Rotary and Mission Systems, we pride ourselves on having the best people, the best systems, and the best service, setting the standard for customers worldwide.